Hello guys, welcome back to Mathematics. Today we are going to answer the question 10 of the progression test style question of stage 8. This one says, a car travels 2.5 kilometers. If the radius of its wheel is 25.5 centimeters, how many times does the wheel make a complete rotation during the trip? Round your answer to the nearest whole number. Let's do a small drawing about the situation. So we have 205 kilometers with a wheel of the car. So it's going to be like this circumference here that you have. You are gonna place it on the distance of the trip. So you are basically asked how many circumferences you are going to be able to set there in the 2.5 kilometers. In other words, the number of rotations are going to be equals to the total distance of the trip divided by the circumference. So we are going to know how many complete rotation it did. Let's start converting the amount in the same unit because we have this here kilometers and here centimeters. We need to use the same unit. So let's start converting 25.5 centimeters to meters. That is going to be multiplied by 100 centimeters is 1 meter. Cancel centimeters, the answer is going to be in meters. Since we have to divide by 100, we just move the decimal point twice, and it's going to be 0.255 meters. And same thing with the kilometers, 2.5 kilometers. We just need to multiply it by 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. So we just need to move the decimal point to the right. So it's going to be 2,500 meters. So we want to convert total distance 2,500 meters divided by 2 times pi times 0.255 meters. Meters with meters cancels out, and the result is going to be given as a number without units. We could do this in the calculator and you are going to get that the answer is 1,560.34 with some other decimals. Since it says round to the nearest whole number and also it's talking about a complete rotation, then we would dismiss these decimals here and we are just going to write 1,560 rotations. And like that you are going to get the 3 marks. Okay guys, I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe. Be your own lessons with me. The link is in the description. And let me any question you have in the comment box. Bye bye guys. See you next time.